guys, let's challenge ourselves to trade models for super spicy hot pot. We pulled out our prized Bambu P2S 3D printer to start printing. Then you can get these models. Of course, it's fine if you can't model. There are many interesting models on MakerWorld for you to choose. I packed my bags and set out on the road. The moment I left home, I knew real life had too many special, unique things. I shouldn't be too indifferent. I'm sentimental, but also passionate and unrestrained, carefree and in a hurry. This world has no time to ask why. You want it, right? Brother, what would you like to eat? I'll have a spicy hot pot. Grab a bowl yourself. Ah, but boss, here's the thing. I don't have any money. Can I trade you something for it? This is just someone messing around, right? I made a toy to trade with you. And it's made really, really well. You'd probably like it. Is that okay? Hey, boss, should I show it to you? No, you're all just scammers. Hey. Handsome, this is firecracker bamboo shoots. They're super delicious, and they're our shop's #1 seller. Over here are all the meats. Choose whatever you like. These are all soup absorbing items, and they're very spicy. This section here is for green vegetables, and here we have braised duck necks, duck frames, chicken legs, etc. You can order any of these too. Anything is fine. Okay. Handsome, how did you make it look so similar? Even the chair is the same. It's 3D printed. Yes, 3D printed. Exactly like the one in my house. Did you copy my product? It's really identical. This is way too similar. Boss, that's all. Okay, done. Handsome, you made this really well. Hey, it's okay, right? It's okay. Really good. Is it ready? Is that all there is? Take a little more. Shameless bro. It's fine. That's enough. It's enough. Thank you, boss. All right. Let's make it. Handsome, watch closely. Okay. How spicy do you want it? What's the spiciest level? By the way, get up and take a look. This is the chili oil, right? Chili oil. That's right. Then I want the spiciest. Yes, as spicy as you can make it. Right, most people can't handle that level of spice. What's the explosive spicy level for Huffei's Spice King? At our place, we add it spoon by spoon. Yes, you add. Start with 1 spoon. Are you sure? Absolutely sure. No problem. Really. Then I'm adding it. I'll take responsibility for it. Okay. Add another spoon. Yes, the wax ball is fine, really fine. I don't care if it's spicy. No way it looks spicy, honestly. It feels okay, acceptable, enough, that's it, enough, that's good. Oh man, eating something so spicy, the color looks so dark, brothers. Not enough seasoning. Director, this will taste in a second. Is that mustard? Yes, mustard. You're really selfish. Huffei spicy, Mr. Juan. Almost done. Hey, Juan, here's water for you. You're underestimating me. Hey boss, keep going. If I drink this, call me Huffei sweetheart. I loved mustard sauce as a kid. I brushed with mustard every morning. Okay. No. There's a problem. That eyelash curler is. The color seems expired. Crying tears fall. Is loving someone right or wrong? Why is it never you hurt, but me? What do I cling to after breakup? Leaving is my final guess. I am lonely, listening to sad songs, just to find past happiness. Listening bit by bit, you'd love me. Why tears and heart hurt more? Read it. Can't stand it. Roman stuff is too old. I can't find it.